everybody, welcome to Real Estate Table Talk. I'm reporting live from the inside of my beautiful office today, which is my car. I'm currently waiting on a client, so I decided to make this quick video because I was reading this amazing article today. The magazine I was reading, it's called Remodeling Magazine. It comes out every spring, and on this spring magazine, they had 5 top remodeling you could do to your home to get the best return on your investment. I was really surprised to notice that top thing is what we usually think is doing a kitchen over, gutting out the whole entire kitchen, gutting out the whole bath, because you know that's what people look for in a house when they go buy it. Will give you the best return on your investment. Unfortunately, those were not on the top 5 on this spring magazine from Remodeling Magazine. I couldn't wait to tell you guys the top renovation that they had on their list that will give you the best bang for your buck. But first, I want to give you guys some statistics before I go ahead and give you the 5 top renovations you can do to your home for the best return on your investment. Did you guys know that this year, 2018, we are expecting to spend about $340 million? Oh my God! $340 million! Do you understand how much money that is? No, you don't. Okay? Because I could buy an island back home in Cape Verde if I want to. I can buy a hotel. I can buy your mama a house if she wants to. I'm gonna be like Oprah. $340 million. Who wants a house? Who wants a car? Because I got $340 million. You guys don't understand how much money that is. I could save you United States with that much money. Okay, I bet you Obama doesn't even have $340 million. I know this. I know he doesn't. I know his accountant. So Obama, you don't have $340 million, okay? Oh my God, that is so much money. But you guys focus. Back to the video. $340 million, guys, on renovation alone. That is 7.5% up from last year. In generally speaking, you will get back about 56% return on your investment. Let's say you want to put in a new kitchen, you want to do your roof, anything of that nature will give you about 56% return on your investment. Remodeling Magazine now is saying that if you do these 5 renovations, but that's if you sell your house within a year's time frame, then you will get the best bang for your buck. Drum roll, please. The first one they have, believe it or not, is garage door. Garage door, as simple as it may seem, they have garage door as number 1. Garage door will give you about 98% return on your investment. You want to spend $10,000 on a garage door, you will get back $9,800 when you go to sell your home as a return on your investment. Second thing they have is stone veneer. Stone veneer will give you about 97% return on your investment. Surprisingly, the third thing they had on the list was a front door. They were requesting that you put a steel door for safety reasons, but that will give you about 91% return on your investment. The fourth thing they had was a deck addition. Deck addition will give you about 83% return on your investment. Final but not least, what they had was minor. Keyword here, guys. Keyword here. Minor. Minor kitchen renovation. Don't go gutting out your entire kitchen because they said minor. So that means new appliances. That means new countertop, painting. That will give you about 81% return on your investment. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and listening. I hope you enjoy my office today, which is my car. I just wanted to give you guys that for those of you that are homeowners that are looking to renovate your home. This is great information because you may think, wow, let me gut out my whole entire kitchen. I could get good money back when I go sell it, but you might want to think twice because that might not be the case. I hope this was useful information to you. Share it with anyone that is looking to renovate their home. Also, if you're looking to buy or sell your home, I'm here to help you. If you're looking to buy, I can send you a list of homes that are currently on the market. Recently, there has been heavy activity. You know, the weather is getting nice. Spring market is here. Even though it's freezing outside and snowing, I don't get it. I don't get it. This weather is bipolar, but spring market is here. And if you're looking to sell, I will perform a free CMA on your house. Just text me, call me, email me. I'm very easy to get in contact with. Thank you so much again for tuning in, guys. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.